Hello everybody, I have some lightning to show y'all. It is dangerous. I am looking at all of it. A lot of CG, positive CG. Just watch, you'll see it. See that? Look at that. Wow. People are lighting fireworks, I can hear it. I hope I'm alright where I'm at and don't get hit by no lightning, 'cause it's pretty scary. I don't want... Wow. This is kind of scary. I don't want to get hit by lightning. So I'm filming lightning for y'all right now. There's a low-hanging one over there, a cloud. That looks like it might put us a tornado. Good thing we're quite a siren so y'all get to hear that go off too if it goes off. But in the meantime, until it does happen, just watch the lightning. It's just quickly starting to get even more concerning over to the southwest of us. Just watching all the lightning is fun. Wow, that lightning. And it's all positive lightning strikes too, it ain't no negative ones. What's the positive is the most deadly. And there is a train coming, I'm not sure if you can hear it, but Show y'all something. Look over there. See that feature? That's not good. As you can see, there's a little funnel cloud starting to develop over there, which means we'll get a tornado warning probably. So you'll hear the siren. Non-test. There are people lighting fireworks, which I don't think is a very good idea. Not right now. Wow, I'm waiting for lightning to hit something. Cicadas are out. Sirens right there. See if there's any lightning out this way. Not over there, just over here. I'm just waiting for the siren to go off. It probably will. We're literally watching lightning live, like not live lightning right now, like it's active, and I'm not recording a live stream, I'm just filming. All those cool strikes we're getting up in the sky. Look how yellow this looks. I mean, it's yellow in person. I'm not sure if it is on camera. But that means hail. There's rotating. Get up to the siren. There's the sunset. This is the storm. If the lightning's getting further away, we could go over here. You may get to see your first trail warning siren activation. Look at that sunset though. We're still watching the lightning though. Right above me. There's a rainbow. I'm backing up. There's a rainbow. Look at that rainbow, y'all. Lightning just hit the ground somewhere. Over there towards where I'm facing the camera, I think is where that was. That is neat, that rainbow. Facing the siren just in case. The train just finished going through. I'm literally right under the swimming pool's canopy thing right here now. Wow, lightning's literally right above me. The wind's starting to pick up. I wonder if the siren will go off. It looks very ominous. I think it should go off. There's a base over there. I hear a train messing around. I first get an EAS emergency alert before a tornado comes. I think the siren goes right after that if it happened. You get to see a thunderstorm video. Just the way some of these clouds are moving, I think a tornado warning might come out. That's rotating. Wow. Woo! Got lightning. Everybody's starting to come out and look. They're all starting to get concerned. Actually, just look at all these wispy. I think a tornado warning is going to come out pretty quick. Good thing we're by the siren so you can see it. Just look how black it is over there. It's even more black in person. I'm gonna be here a while. I don't think I'm dare going home right now. I bet there's a tornado warning in Minnesota right now. I'll bet right next to us. We have to be in the polygon before our siren goes off. That's what I heard. There's a funnel cloud up there. It's weird how this big cloud's sitting here like this. That's definitely supercell looking. Starting to rain. Good thing I'm not out in it. Now there's green. That's not good. That's green. Very green. We're about to be in a tornado warning. I can feel it. Because if you see green like this, that means you're about to. Yeah. Just waiting for it to come out. Look at that lightning. Yeah, that is very green. That's a tornado sign right there. The base is over there. I can't believe how green that is above me. It may not look green on camera, but it is in person if you were to look at it. It's very green. Come on, siren, let's go. It's time, I think, for it to go off. That might be the cloud the tornado will come out of. Or the rotation will be in. It's probably in there right now. This is the ugliest I've seen it in a long time. Whoa. I can't believe the sirens are not going off. It should be going off. I think it needs to. See, that's a funnel cloud right over there. See how quickly that storm came up together like that? That's supercell, not like now. just lightning is constant. It's a giant shelf now, but it's not going this way, it's moving the other way. It sure built up fast. I ain't going home yet. Not until that's gone. If you look over here, that's the Endville, right? The Endville. Where we're supposed to get a storm, we never got it. Sometimes it's just weird, South Dakota. Sometimes you'll get something, sometimes you won't. Usually how it goes. Wind's starting to pick up. That might get the siren going. Wow. It's like we just got missed by it. It's like, I was hoping we would have gotten a storm. Oh my god, there's a spider. Definitely got big. Wow. It's just so ugly looking in person. I don't know, it might not look like it on camera. Wow. I can hear the cicadas. Looks like we got lucky on this one. We all get to see it in action, this lightning and all that. Even though we may not have got it. The lightning is just constant. Wow. Woo! That was like right above me. A whole bunch of random funnel clouds just trying to form. But they just aren't having luck getting to the warned position. Sirens. That's too far. I think a little too far away now for them to go off here if they were to. We'd have to be right in the polygon. I just can't freaking believe this, y'all. I almost swore. Sorry, y'all. Doesn't look like we're gonna have a siren. Thank goodness, I was surprised. All that weirdness that was going on, I can't believe it didn't go off. It decides if it wants to or not. It just depends on what happens with the weather. Wow. This is fun to show you though. But now I think it's a little too far away for the sirens. Usually right when it gets into Minnesota is when it always gets bigger. Woohoo! this is so fun to watch. But we're not gonna cut this yet. We're gonna keep it rolling just in case. You never know, siren might go off yet. But right, in the meantime, just look at everything going on. Wow. So there's a big funnel cloud forming in Minnesota now. It's like wide. Too far away to, I think, for a siren. Lightning bugs are starting to come out now. People may be able to light fireworks, I guess, and storms went around us. If you hear a siren right now, or any time later than right now, it's not going to be a test. It means there's something going on. For me, it'd be a tornado warning, because if it was going off, if it were to go off. But it all pretty much missed us. I'm very surprised, y'all. Like, Minnesota's gonna get into the action today. They have been getting all the stuff today. So has northern South Dakota. Which is always the way it is. Usually Minnesota or northern South Dakota always getting the weather. It's usually the way it goes. We all know that. That there is the storm that was in Yankton earlier today. It had 70-mile-an-hour winds on it and almost baseball-sized hail. And I can't believe it actually went around us. Not what I wanted, but it's what it is. I'm gonna go over here a little bit and show ya. Nothing really going on towards where Sherman's at, which is over that way. Mostly just east of us, like Laverne, stuff's getting in on the action. Wow, y'all. But what I know is the lightning show is pretty impressive. I hear a train. 2 I've heard now. Now, one up that way, which the one went through about a half hour to almost an hour ago. It had to have stopped out by Sherman, obviously. And then that one, it just went that way. Looks like we're lucky this time, but usually it's always Minnesota that gets in on it. It's pretty dang cool to show y'all, though. Sometimes we get something, and sometimes we don't. It's just the way it is. I really want to go into church and record the elevator for y'all again, but it's locked right now. I don't know what they're doing. Something must be doing some maintenance on something inside. I mean, it's been locked for about 2 months now. I have no idea why, but it is locked. I'm just waiting for people to start shooting off fireworks. I think they will now because the storm's all moved away from us. Looks like Minnesota's gonna get hit hard. Like always. Usually the way it goes. Wow, that was really close to me. I didn't like that. But I don't think the lightning can spread way over here. Or can it? I have no clue. I don't know how, if it can or not. Just depends. This is so fun to record for y'all, but my iPad's probably getting dead here, dying. So I guess I filmed some action. I hope y'all enjoyed the lightning video I took. From when it was still light out until dark almost. Because it is dang near dark out. If you look over here, the sun is setting. It's just, wow. We never did get anything, which I'm very mad. I like storms. I wish we would have gotten hit on one of them. It doesn't have to be the bad one. I just wish we would have gotten one. But sometimes you can't predict the weather. You don't know what's going to happen and stuff. Well, I'll show you a little more lightning for about 2 more minutes or so, then I'm going to probably close this out. Pretty dang neat though, I can tell ya. Nothing for us though. It's just sometimes we don't get nothing, sometimes we do. That was like right up there. The lightning is still pretty impressive, but the storm all moved away. Oh, with thunder behind me too. I know there's another round coming. Oh wow, now the lightning's really getting impressive over this way. I just saw it hit the ground. Wow. Pretty dang neat though to record for y'all. Even though we may not have got it. Yeah, I just saw lightning hit the ground over there. Well, at least you got to see something, even though it may not have been what you wanted. My camera's losing focus, y'all. I don't know why, but it is. Wow, look how bright that is, y'all. Sure, constant lightning. I mean, it's like positive CG, which is the most deadliest. I like how it's just calm all of a sudden. Very weird, y'all. But we know we aren't going to hear the sirens like I was hoping. Because it's all too far away now. That's in Minnesota now. But yep, I hope you enjoyed the video of the lightning. I would like to record it longer for you, but I just am getting tired. I want to go home and get ready to go to bed. But I hope you enjoyed my little video of the lightning from daytime to night almost, because if you see over here, it's almost dark out. So you got to see it first. You got to see it over there, and it was still light out. And then we came over here because I thought the sirens were going to go off, so we faced the siren and the lightning when it was over there. Then it all moved off this way, and all you're seeing is it over there now. So it was pretty dang fun to film for y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this, even though it may not have been what you wanted. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful week. Goodbye.